Turn off po ba yung kapag inaya ka makipag-date ng guy tas nag-reply ka agad ng go? Walang paligoy-ligoy, G agad? And mostly, they ask naman if kailan ako free. Well, actually, no, that's not a turn off for us guys. Kasi it's in the woman's nature lang to respond accordingly kapag in-ask out sila ng guy na talagang bet nila. Women are all about giving love, receiving, and communication. While men naman are going through missions, achievements, breaking through barriers, going after their purpose in life. Kasi think about it, kapag masyado ka nagpakipot sa guy na gusto mo talaga, and turns out this guy acts like a real man and who is confident, has an abundance mindset, and basically knows how attraction works, pag masyado ka nagpakipot sa ganyang lalaki, aalis yan. He will get the idea na you are not into him. So anong gagawin niya? He's gonna walk away and find someone else who is excited to see him. Because guys like these has options. Kasi they have the abundance mindset. Hindi nila sasayangin ang oras nila sa taong ayaw sa kanila. Sure, it's fine kung magpakipot ka ng konti, pero gaya nga ng sabi ng mga in-check, too much of everything is bad. Ako personally, mas gusto ko nga kung yung babaeng dinedate ko yung ganyan. Yung walang paligoy-ligoy, doesn't give out wishy-washy answers whenever I ask them out on a date. Kasi if she accepts my invite, then that tells me that she is attracted to me as well. And I know that we're gonna have a fun evening together. As opposed to women who give out wishy-washy answers like, hindi ako sure pag-iisipan ko pa ha. Oh my God. Alam nyo, real talk lang, ang lakas maka-turn off ng ganyan para sa akin. Kasi it will just be a waste of time for us. Kaya mga sigarilyo ha, never accept maybe dates. Meaning, pag inaya mo sila, tapos yung sagot nila maybe sa Friday free ako, do not accept that. Why? Kasi for example, niyaya mo siya ng Monday, Then sinabi ni girl na maybe sa Friday free ako. Anong mangyayari nun? You will put your Friday night on hold sa date na hindi ka naman sure kung matutuloy o hindi. And 9 times out of 10, when Friday rolls around, she will cancel the date. So ano ko ngayon? Nga ka. And since naka-hold yung Friday night mo and have nothing else planned, you're stuck in your home with nothing else to do. Sayang lang yung Friday evening mo. Especially ako na I only have like 1 to 2 nights off a week if I'm lucky. I would never waste my rest day on a maybe date. Sayang lang yung night off ko It's either she gives out a definite yes sa invite ko or nothing at all. That's it. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa inyo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.